flight leaves. All right. In this case, take note, we can use present tense to indicate present tense, right? To indicate a schedule. That means it's already arranged. Clear? A schedule or pre-arranged event. The schedule of the flight is predetermined, right? Okay? So you can use present tense directly. All right? We know what time, right? Okay, say the train leaves in an hour. All right? Okay? And the time is fixed. Got it? Or maybe the train leaves at 6 o'clock tonight. Am I clear on this, guys? Okay, so because of tense, it can be quite confusing, so I have to be clear. All right? So I repeat, when we talk about things that have been arranged or appointed in time, we can use present tense to talk about it. All right?